Everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the 3Racing EX REAL Crawler Kit. I bought this on Integy.com for $165. Unfortunately, as time of this video, it is currently out of stock, but Integy stocks all the spare parts for this kit, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to buy this and give it a try. 3Racing is a company out of Hong Kong, and they're probably most famous for their Secura D4 chassis, which I have. I also have an unboxing video for that as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So this kit does not come with a body. It's the complete chassis, and it also comes with a motor. The standard wheelbase for this kit is 275 millimeters, which is 10.8 inches. And it can be modified from 255 millimeters all the way to 325 millimeters, which is 10 inches, all the way to 12.8 inches. The width is 205 millimeters, which is 8.1 inches. And it's a dual gear kit, and it can shift from 2.6 to 1 down to 1.69 to 1. Ground clearance at the midpoint is 69 millimeters, which is 2.7 inches. And at the front diff is 32 millimeters, which is 1.25 inches. On this side of the box, it shows all the features. I'm not going to read all of them. It's very interesting. Here are all the parts you need. There's some disclaimers on this side of the box. And there's a nice paragraph describing the kit. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. What I like about 3Racing is their material quality is very good. They're up to par with Traxxas, Axial, Element RC at a fraction of the price. Bag 2 here are the motor components. I see the gearbox, and I also see a 540 motor here with a very long lead wire. Bag 3, I see some links, and these look like the axles. Bag 8 is the bumpers, and I'm not sure what those are. We'll find out. Bag 7 are the wheels. These are plastic wheels with a screwed on ring. They look pretty nice. Bag 5 are the shocks, and they come in this signature brown. Bag 6, bunch of servo horns here included, and it looks like it's the receiver box and some other components, some brackets maybe. I can't really tell what those are. Bag 4 here. These are links, and I also see another axle right here, and I'm not sure what that is. Bag 1 are the rails, also the skid plate, and also the shock mounts. It does come with extensions for the servo if necessary, but I have a servo that has a very long wire already. And here's the additional instruction manual for the electronics hookup. There's some EX REAL decals, and these are not pre-cut. And here's the instruction manual. Let's take a look at this in detail. All right, let's take a look at the 3Racing EX REAL Crawler manual. It's in English and Japanese. Step 1, chassis assembly obviously starts with the rails. Motor bulkhead assembly. All the illustrations are easy to understand, very well printed. Tells you on the side, just like a Tamiya manual, it tells you on the side what parts you're going to need, which screws you're going to need for that part of the build. And like I said, it tells you exactly which bag each component is in. which is very convenient and makes it really easy to understand and find the parts you need. And then the main shaft assembly, rear shaft, oil shocks. These are great shocks. Let's see, RC unit, and there's the gear share. There's the gear servo, and there's a steering servo. Battery. It does take standard battery with this strap. I'm guessing it's not going to be able to hold some of the larger 3S batteries, but maybe we can modify that. And you can also carry a shorty pack. And the receiver box is waterproof. How to assemble the wheels, very straightforward. And the body posts, and the body posts are magnetic, as you can see here. That's what those metal pieces were. And you can put lighting as well. So I'm looking forward to this. I am looking forward to building this. And like I said, Integy has a lot of these spare parts. And so you break something, you don't really have to worry about it. And I'm looking forward to driving this and possibly even modifying as well. And let me show you what I have for the body. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I've built a lot of Tamiya kits recently. And you know, one of the kits I built was the Subaru Brat. And the Subaru Brat kit came with two bodies, a Lexan body and also this hard plastic body. And originally, my plan for this kit was because it had an adjustable wheelbase and it went all the way down to 255. The Tamiya Brat chassis is actually 247 or 248 millimeter wheelbase, so I thought it possibly could fit. Maybe I need to cut the fenders, maybe I need to change out the wheels or fudge it some other way. But so my plan is to use one of the Tamiya Brat bodies for this build. If you like this idea, leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think, or tell me what other bodies you suggest I use for this kit. So I hope you liked this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give this a thumbs up. Subscribe for more to watch me build this kit step by step. And I'll see you guys in the next one.